the top 10 winning products for January 2026. Hey there, my name's Ricky Hayes, and welcome to today's video on the top 10 winning products for January 2026. As you can sort of see here, I've got this document that has all the winning products. If you want them as the full sheet with everything that I'll be talking about in today's video, just comment the word product in the comment section and I'll send you this entire sheet 100% for free. All right, so jumping straight into it, we have this RevLite product. Now, I found all of these products doing product research with my sort of team, and then I choose these products. So that's why I think these are fantastic. So this product here is a 3-in-1 waterproof red light therapy. It helps women to improve their hair. Essentially, you can see they put a lot of effort into this product page. It does look like it's just a drop shipping store, and that they've sort of optimized it quite nicely. So, overall, what I'd be doing is I'd be copying these points and I'd be getting ChatGPT, or I'm actually started using Manus AI, but using ChatGPT, for example, where you put that in and get it to analyze this page and then get you product benefits and marketing angles. Or you can use Accio.io for that as well to help you find suppliers on Alibaba. But in terms of the audience, this is naturally a women's product. You can see that they are marketing it originally to the UK audience. I'd be focused on women that are into hair brands, famous women, right? Like, and all women are pretty much focused on their hair. It's a very normal thing, So famous people and fashion magazines would be the targeting options. If you were to do targeting, I would do broad targeting, and I would actually, do image ads for this as well. You can see that these would do well, but if you do some nice images, something like this, that those work quite well, with your branding on it. I have videos on how to make high converting product images in my videos coming out, as well as videos already in my channel. You can go check that out as well. On to the next one. I didn't add, pardon me, though, that your selling price, it has about a 2x, but you can probably bundle that with other items. So I'd be trying to bundle that to probably get that to about 55, 60, because it's probably going to cost you $15, $20 cost of purchase minimum down the road. Number two is this portable mini printer. These are fantastic. I think that they're great. They're very much focused for families and stuff as well. As a guess, this will be more women that will be buying this. You can generally tell by the color palette. It's generally a female related item. So I'd be focused very much on that as well. The website is really well set up. For those wondering, what type of themes, I always recommend the Debutify theme. You can just go here. You can go into the template library and you can choose from any of these niche templates that are all predefined, high converting CRO as well. So I definitely recommend going to check that out. But back to the actual product, you can see that this is a nice image, but there's too much going on, right? Again, I'd be using ChatGPT to analyze this page, or I'm using another starting to use a tool called Scopic that helps you as an AI agent with this as well, which is fantastic. Um, and I'd be marketing this to women in the top 5 countries on Facebook. TikTok, you'd focus on the United States because the CPMs are quite low. And in terms of interest targeting, again, you'd be targeting probably more women that are parents, right? You can see sort of by the image. You'd be targeting women that are more parents because they're taking pictures of their kids on the go, right? So you'd be doing ones that would be famous mums, right? Would be one of them. Whenever you're not sure, I usually ChatGPT. Famous mums would be one. Um, uh, TV shows that are aimed at women, so more romance shows, a lot of the time are aimed at women because it won't be just mums. It'll be older people and just generally women anyway. But always also leave one of your ad sets as broad targeting because Facebook and that is so amazing now with Andromeda. But I still do a bit of targeting to help control a bit of that. The margins are not bad as well, but again, you want to be doing some bundles as well as trying to do bulk order discounts because quantity breaks, because you'll be wanting to try and get people to buy multiple for loved ones and stuff as well. That is really good for on the go portable purposes, because for busy families, this is really cool. And because it's just Bluetooth, it's really simple. Now, this one is a patented product, so you would want to be a bit careful here. You would want to make your own one, but you can see it's very much the suction cups. It's a nice product page. They have been on, I think it was CNBC, CBS, pardon me, Good Morning America. A very well-established brand, lots of reviews, pretty much nearly 100% 5-star reviews. what on earth has happened there? There's a bug on their website. Don't know how that happens for established brands, but it does. You can see they're doing bulk order discounts. People will buy multiple of these, right? People want this, but a portable one. Imagine people traveling, right? This would be a universal item in terms of men and women. So I would actually leave the gender open, and I'd be targeting people that are into home decor TV shows, or famous people that do like build homes, or shows that are around, very popular shows that are around, like those competition shows like here in Australia. I think it's called like The Block. Um, but I'd be focusing on more on America because obviously you're going to get the biggest audience. And then obviously I would just be sort of doing that. You can see that I'd be getting it to analyze this page. Lightweight, portable, easily fits in a diaper bag, right? Boom, away you go. So fantastic for people that travel. Oh, and obviously you should be adding people that are into like TV shows that are around traveling, as well as travel magazines, or famous people who travel quite frequently. Right? You can see that I generally stick to those. The margins are good because you can see that um, the cost price is extremely cheap, but because of the perceived value, it does really well. So that one's a really good one. But just be careful because it is painted. You want to choose something that's similar but different. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I would just always be careful of that. The next item is this one. Website is crap. Again, I'd be using Debutify for this. What template? What one is this? Uh, Sort of more lifestyle-y, beachy. As I said, if I was to go through this, I would probably bring more templates anyway, or home decor. Pardon me. Actually, home decor would be better. Anyway, so I like to give advice on sort of what theme and that you would use too. You can see it's got reviews, but I don't. This seems like a legitimate brand that it's not just drop shipped, right? You can see they wholesale. You can see that their marketing is crap, right? They don't know that, and a lot of these brands that are proper brands, their marketing is usually really bad because they're focused very much on the product. Right? As a guess, I reckon this lady is probably actually the business owner, right? If we go and try and see if we can find their socials, end up going to their Instagram, but you can see here that this I found this, that it's been on a number of things, and so it's a really high quality thing, and you can see it's very targeted towards women. Um, this is the Blue Chip Group, right? The company that's funding it. So this is a legitimate brand that's gone through proper product development. Um, but you can see their marketing is really crap. So you can see this brand is, a legitimate brand, but their marketing is not really on point, right? Like, I'm just have a quick look at their YouTube. You can see that they have been around for a good number of years, so definitely a legitimate brand that I think that you can take a lot of advantage of. Honestly, that's what the best part about being a dropshipper is that we do marketing so much better. This item, moving on, pardon me though, you can see that the margin's good and people will probably buy multiple. Okay, for loved ones too. So you'd be focused on women. You'd be focused on women that are like, as you could see there. Usually, where I get inspiration for interest is I look at the images. The images tell you what other interests those people have. So I saw beach. So I'd be beach brands, the beach, travel, all the same thing, right? Because that item very centrally is around security and travel, going publicly into places and ensuring that your important items are safe. So then you've got this portable 3-in-1 foot massager. Absolutely fantastic. This is a nice built page. And this brand is well built, a good brand. 3-in-1 items, everything is all in one. Who doesn't want all in one these days? I'm even tempted for it because I have flat feet, a severe case of flat feet. So having something that actually helps with my feet, with pain and improving my feet and cleaning them is just, honestly, I was partly sold myself. Um, so you can see that like they've got all the conversion factors here, $129. People will probably buy multiple of these as well, because they might want to clean them. So again, do quantity breaks, but you can see that they come in different colors. This is definitely a fantastic product, right? Definitely a fantastic product. And I actually pass this on to the team for Debut Fight to, whenever I do these, I look at pages that have good inspiration to further improve our templates as well. Um, Now, for those wondering where you would source it and stuff too, I personally use Team Drop. The reason I use Team Drop is that basically, you can just go on AliExpress and get the image. Now, for the image, you use the image downloader Chrome extension, 100% free. You can just Google it, and and then you can find these images. They got really good product images. But then obviously as well to actually fulfill it, I would actually go to Team Drop. The reason is you can actually speak to an agent and they will actually source it for you. They use Taobao in 1688, but you can, and I just don't recommend using AliExpress. You can use something that has, you get a private supplier essentially, right? You always want a private supplier. It's always just much better. That's where, back in the day, you would always do it as AliExpress and then go to private supplier. But these days, it costs you nothing to go to straight to a private supplier. And they're really good. They do, 3PL, everything. So then basically your back end is handled. You just need to send them a message. They'll start finding it for you and you just focus on what we do best, which is the marketing, right? So building out your marketing strategy, doing static images as well as video ads. Um, so moving on, I actually featured this in one of my other videos as well, but this is a really good product too. The Snuggle Warm, it's definitely just a dropship product. It definitely does not have 17,000 reviews. They have quite a lot of reviews, though. Nonetheless, it's basically like a massive dressing gown that is like has heated foot pockets and stuff. So basically just combines more and more into one. Very self-explanatory. You can tell by the images it is younger women. So more you can see that based on the price it is, and based on these images and stuff, you can see it's like 25, 44-year-old women, sort of in that demographic side. You'll find that probably that's where it'll do best. I'd be using these images as well and looking at the ads library. I'd be focusing on the big five for Facebook and United States for TikTok, and split testing that, right? That's what I sort of start to do more now. And I would get ChatGPT to analyze this page and give you a marketing strategy, the key points, build out the page using something like Debutify. It also has the AI store builder. As I said, use Team Drop for fulfillment. But then in terms of targeting, you'd want to target women that are into home decor, that are into home decor brands, right? So home decor brands and magazines around home living, right? Boom, away you go. And then some broad targeting as well, and let Facebook do the rest. It has good margins, right? And people will probably still only buy one. So the key is that you might want to buy two. That maybe I'm wrong there, but you'll definitely want to try and add some bundles on your cart page as well. Try and improve your average order value as well as post purchase. For post purchase, I use Reconvert, which works quite well for that as well, which helps you increase your conversion rate by 5 to 20% depending on your brand. The melty mug, right? So this is another good one. This is fantastic for especially coming up to Valentine's. This feels like a very strong Valentine's Day item. So I'd be very focused on that. Like this is not so much, but this one definitely is, right? And so you would want to very much focus on that. Um, uh, and people will buy multiple, right? Because they'll want it for their partners. So people that are into it's very romantic. So I'd be focused on people that are into romantic TV shows would be one would come to mind, and very famous couples, for example, because a lot of people like to buy these as couples. And Valentine's Day, I'd be targeting as well. It just feels very Valentine's Day focused, and especially with Valentine's Day coming up, and people buy multiple, good margins as well. Same targeting options. Moving on to the next one is this reflective and run windmill compression sock. So the image doesn't do much in terms of okay. But I think this is like again a drop shipping type store. But compression socks solves a problem where people have a lot of pain in their feet and legs. I know a number of people that use compression related items, and so you definitely, and it looks like a real established brand actually. So definitely, I would want to sell this, but change the product image is a bit of the marketing. Otherwise, model a lot of what they've done here. Apparently, over 50,000 happy customers, which is fantastic for them. Made and shipped in the United States, so you want to get those product benefits, and a huge amount. So you see the keyword here is diabetic, right? And so if we look at the images, where were the people that I saw? Yeah, okay. Jamie, Tom, Peter. So you can see it's more men, right? So you can see older demographic, right, that get more pain there. People sort of like me that would focus actually on shoe brands, and because I don't know any major big sock brands, but it's like, let's say like Nike, Puma, you would want to target that because they're sort of pain. Diabetics would be another one as well. would be another good one. As a guest looking at this looks like it's an older demographic. And again, I would get ChatGPT to analyze this page to get a better idea as well. So I always like to look at that, and then I use ChatGPT to help fill the gaps. People will buy multiple, right? The thing is with socks, it's very self-explanatory. People will buy quite a few, okay? So make sure you keep that in mind. This one as well is another Valentine's Day one, which is just awesome. Look at that. That's why it's self-explanatory. The Blossom box. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Perfect Valentine's Day. So focus on Valentine's Day would be one of it. Things like roses and TV shows around romance and that coming into this time of year will be very, very big. So, like you can see that they've focused a lot on this, right? And this is a fantastic, fantastic idea. Where can I find? Now, as I said, I always like to at times have a look at their Instagram. You can see they've got 10,000 subscribers. They've got a real following, and they've built a real established brand around it. So, not only is this item, you can easily bundle all of these absolutely fantastic niche and very passionate people that will like this. So make sure you keep that in mind. That's definitely a great one, especially coming into Valentine's Day as we start scaling up for Valentine's Day. And this one I added in because I thought it was cool. It's for parents. I'm a parent. I'm like, hey, my daughter loves jellyfish, so I had to add this in. Um, it's just a cool item, right? Aimed at parents. Aimed at when it comes to parents, I forgot to add TV shows like any of you heard of Bluey or any big TV show that's aimed at kids, like on ABC or various kids related shows. Just look them up. Would be the targeting options because parents always will get their feedback from their kids. You can tell this is sort of more a dropshipping store, but this one has a good one where um, again, not good quantity breaks. I would definitely be optimizing this. Some of these pages are really nice. Like, I'm pretty sure this looks like it's on Debutify as it is, and then some of them are on different ones, so they're all beneficial. But again, I always will recommend that anyway. But my point is that definitely improve the product page here. Use something like Debutify. Again, use Teamdrop to help you source the product. Again, look on AliExpress to see the costs. That's why I always add the AliExpress links as well, so you have them as well. Do Facebook and TikTok ads to start off with. I'm big on Google, but for faster results, especially coming into the competitive type of where industry that we're in, I would focus on that. So those are the top products, and as I said, these have all your. This one has really good margins as well. I didn't add that in, but really healthy margins because again, it looks like high perceived value. It's sort of electronic, and they always go for high perceived value. So um, due to worldwide supply demands. Yeah, so again, it's just a drop shipping store, and they probably have again a winning product. For the product research tools, I actually use as well. I didn't add that. I use Zik Analytics and the Debutify Product Research Center. So if you're using the Debutify theme, you get the AI Store Builder as well as the Research Center. I just use that as well to help find the products. And you even have reviews and stuff as well. So it just saves you time, and you can import them from AliExpress. So be sure to go check that out. Lastly, before I finish up as well, I am making a course called ecomltv.io. You can go register at the webpage now. There is a link in the description. It's a 100% free course, 100% free mentoring forever. Now, why am I doing this? I'm doing it because I want to make a new updated course. It helps me learn more. I always like doing it. Haven't done one in a long time. As well as that my SaaS solutions are in there. So, if I can help you be successful, my SaaS solutions help as well. So it's just a fantastic win-win. And so I'm making the course and it'll be consistently updated. So be sure to follow that. Be sure to follow me on all my socials, Instagram, TikTok, X. I'm doing regular updates across the board there as I'm really building up my personal brand. If you did enjoy today's video, I always appreciate a like and subscribe. Again, comment the word product down below. If you want this full sheet, I'll just send it to you in the comments, 100% free for you to use however you wish. Other than that, Happy New Year's to everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Have a lovely day. Take care and goodbye.